the biggest one, like at least for me, the biggest one.
Yes.
The Great Run of Punjab.
Yeah, yeah.
I loved the concept. I was the flag bearer of that 200K run.
Yeah.
It was a run from Amritsar to Chandigarh. Why don't
Huh.
you tell us about it?
So that is the run dearest to my heart.
Wow.
And it is like a baby to me.
Mm.
The Great Run of Punjab. That's my love for running, my love for ultra running, all personified in that run.
Mm.
And the run is from...
And your love for Punjab.
Yes, love for Punjab, love for runners, love for ultra running.
Yeah.
So it's a run from Chandigarh to Amritsar and then from Amritsar to Chandigarh. This is the
Yeah.
concept that we started with. It's a 200 kilometers run. There are distance options like 180, 50 as well. So it's more of, if you want to just experience the love of running, just come. 3 days, you're just running
Yeah.
12 hours a day.
Yeah.
And my experience as an event organizer was I fell in love with every participant
Wow.
of that. They were like my babies. So it was, you don't need anything else when you see them in the finish line. That feeling is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beyond any commercial benefit.
There's something about that run. I can't really pinpoint what it is. There's something about that run. That run has something more than any event that I've done. There have been more challenging events. There have been, maybe more scenic events. But there's something about this particular run that I think it has a soul that's probably missing in, a lot of the runs.
So this run was supported by We Amritsar Runners, which is again a volunteer group in Amritsar that I started back in 2016.
Okay.
And you have experienced it. All the volunteers were the members of WAR, as we call it. 90% females. So they all were there just to support the runners for the love of running. So even when I organize now bigger events than that in terms of number of participants and all that, but I still feel Great Run of Punjab had a soul.
Yeah.
And yes,
Yeah.
that's how.
And what about how many villages were there? Like you go through.
So there were 17 villages.
17,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
16, 17
3
villages.
cities, 17 villages.
3
Yeah,
cities.
Yeah.
And over 3 days.
Yes, over 3 days.
Massive.
Yeah.
It's like you experience the culture, you experience the beauty of Punjab, and culture the most actually. The interactions you have on the go, running through the tiny villages of Punjab, which you had no business of visiting. Like, wo 16 jo villages the na, I wouldn't have gone to those villages otherwise, were it not for this run. And it was beautiful. And the volunteers in particular, like you mentioned, 90% of them were females. And they were assisting us on the go. Like this event itself, I think the conception itself sounded very difficult to me because कहाँ से अब 3 शहरों में कैसे करोगे यार help, right? कुछ ना कुछ तो miss होगा, गड़बड़ होगी, गलतियां होंगी, right? बहुत सारी. But it was almost flawless. Like एक आधा छोटा मोटा अगर कहीं दिख सकती है blemish तो अगर वो भी नहीं होगी तो फिर perfect है यार सब कुछ. But it was and I loved the attitude, it was total service attitude of all the volunteers. It helped, I guess, because they were from a running group, so शायद उन्हें थोड़ी runners की जरूरत है पता थी.
Also, like I said, they all belong to Punjab.
हाँ.
So वो सेवा भावना उनमें भी थी.
वो नजर आ रही थी पूरी. And I think I remember, I think day 1 के end में ही I had massive blisters. उसकी photos अभी भी हैं. I'll give it to Devendra. He'll put them. Yeah, and both feet were gone completely. End of day 1. और अभी तो 2 दिन बाकी थे. दूसरा भी निकल गया इस तरीके से. तीसरा दिन, and it was all cold, and we were beginning in front of the Gurudwara. So I usually don't go to बोली मंदिर गुरुद्वारे मैं नहीं जाता हूँ आमतौर पे. उस दिन मैं गया. I went inside और मत्था टेक के मैं इतनी जोर से रोया वहाँ पे before the start line, before we started running, and I was like, भगवान आज निकाल दे किसी तरह. आज अगर हो गया, because I really couldn't imagine finishing day 3 with such feet.
Yeah.
And I started running and it all happened.
Yeah.
और हो गया. मतलब
And everybody finished,
everybody finished.
So our prayer, like you say, that you prayed at that time. So our prayer was sab theek rahe. Mine was the only prayer I always have before any event. Every participant should be fine. That's the only prayer. Where they finish or not, that's immaterial for me. They should be fine.
Yeah, and I think I remember every single, like we also became friends with many other people.
Yeah.
I think Bobby is such a wonderful friend now. Yeah, and he was crying at the finish line. Like मेरे से आधे घंटे पहले 1 घंटे पहले finish कर चुका था वो, and he was crying.
So
like he's still crying.
So, when I say talk about love that we get out of these events,
Yeah.
I remember at the expo I met Bobby for the first time, and he's like, the t-shirts hadn't arrived. And he was like, I need to take my t-shirt and bib I gave him. And then I was like, abhi to gaaliyan padne wali hain, t-shirt aayi nahi, participant aa gaya lene expo pe. And then he said, are you the race director? I said, yes. Can I hug you? A big hug to you. You're putting up such a good show.
Wow.
I melted. I was like, wow, so I'm blessed to have such an experience rather than वो भी ठीक है, part and parcel.
That's amazing. Bobby, anyway, is an amazing guy.
Yes.
Like he's वो सुबह ही जब रन स्टार्ट हुई थी उसके 1 घंटे के अंदर ही at one point I came across him. वो गाने गा रहा था दौड़ते हुए. मैंने कहा यार ये सही है, सही फन है. So it was such a beautiful run. I would love to do this again whenever you guys are doing it. And I would recommend. I've recommended this on social media platforms many times. This is not a race; it's an experience that you had curated.
Thank you.
Love to do it again. So whenever you're up for it.
Yes.
If you enjoyed watching this little clip, I'm pretty sure you'll love the full video. You can watch the full video by clicking somewhere around here. I think it should be on the right.